Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 15th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, yesterday I was looking at this right here and saying that if it does bounce there and make an engulfing up, then I definitely would go long. It did try to engulf up, but as you can see, it didn't really hold very well. Not really a whole lot happened on this pair yesterday, but I definitely still have a long bias. The daily is up, the weekly is up, and the monthly is up. When all three of these higher time frames are in agreement, I do not think there's any reason whatsoever to do anything but look for one, two, three-way pullbacks to go long. One, two, three-way pullbacks to go long. One, two, three wave. Oh, whoop, sorry. One, two, three-way pullbacks to go long. One, two, three-way pullbacks to go long. So what would I be doing right now? I would be patiently waiting for more three-way pullbacks, hopefully Fibonacci bounces, and golfing moves to the upside to continue to look for long opportunities, at least until the daily time frame tells us otherwise, which it definitely has not done so yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.